Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk about the contractor for the Spark program. Now the government announced that they have selected the contractor. They had a short list of 5 and they have selected the contractor, and the work is to start in December. Now the Spark program is a $45 billion road improvement project in Jamaica. The government plans to fix over 2,000 roads, community and main roads. And it is needed because the roads in Jamaica, some of them need some serious rehabilitation. I mean, almost every week you hear about some community blocking the road because of the state of the roads. So this program is very important. So now the contractor is very important. So the list of contractors has been, they have 5 that were shortlisted, but we have narrowed the list down to 2. So the 5 that were selected were Sino Hydro Corporation Limited out of China, Municipal Enterprises Limited out of Canada, Legion Aviation and Infrastructure Limited out of the UK, China Harbour Engineering Company Limited out of China, and Vinci Construction Grand Projects out of France. Now, the government hasn't officially released the name of the contractor yet, but we were informed that it's a Chinese contractor. So it's going to be between Sino Hydro Corporation Limited or China Harbour Engineering Company Limited. Both are the Chinese contractors. Now, Vinci Construction out of France, they have worked in Jamaica before. They were part of the Highway 2000 project when they were building the east-west leg. And they have worked on the ports in Jamaica. Legion Aviation and Infrastructure they work on the airports in Jamaica. They did the expansion of the runway in Montego Bay at the Sangster International Airport. Municipal Enterprises out of Canada, I'm not sure if they have done any work in Jamaica before. But when it comes on to building roads in Jamaica, the number 1 contractor in Jamaica is China Harbour Engineering Company. And Sino Hydro Corporation Limited, also out of China. I'm not sure if they have done any major roadworks in Jamaica. But it's going to be one of those 2 Chinese contractors. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Now, China Harbour Engineering Company has gotten the job done. They have built, ever since they came to Jamaica, they have built Highway 2000 North-South leg. They have built Highway 2000 East-West leg, the sections from Sandy Bay to Mandeville. And they have built the Southern Coastal Highway, or the highway from, I think they're actually still in the process of building it, the highway from Harborview to Port Antonio. And they have gotten the job done. So guys, let us know what you think. Should the government go with a new contract or a second contractor? Because China Harbour Engineering Company will always be here in Jamaica. They are actually doing a massive development to build a residential development in Miami Bay. And they also have a lot of other projects, including other road projects. So what do you guys think? Do you think the government should go with China Harbour Engineering Company or go with a second contractor that would bring actually basically a second contractor? But we have been informed that it's going to be a Chinese contractor that gets the project, that is a contractor for the Spark program. All right, guys, leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.